Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaliva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 4 from the chapter fractions. In this exercise you are going to learn to add the fractions. Okay, let us see the first question. 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4. Here these two fractions are unlike fractions. So first we have to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers. We can add the like fractions only. Okay, so we are going to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers 8 and 4. Here 8 is the multiple of 4, so we can take 8 as LCM. If a number is multiple of another number means we can take that number as LCM. Now we have to convert the given fractions with a denominator 8. Here see the first fraction. Here already the denominator is 8. So we are going to change the second fraction alone. The second fraction is 1 by 4. In 4 table, when you will get 8 2 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. 1 into 2, 2. Then the second fraction is 2 by 8. Now the first fraction 3 by 8 plus the second fraction 2 by 8. We got the like fractions. Now we can add the numerator 3 plus 2 by the same denominator number 8. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 8. So the answer is 5 by 8. 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 8. Was it clear? See the next numbers. 1 by 5 plus 7 by 10. Here also these two fractions are unlike fractions, so we are going to convert it into like fractions. Okay, for that we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 5 and 10. Here 10 is a multiple of 5, so we can take 10 as a LCM. So LCM is 10. Here in the second fraction already the denominator is 10, so no need to change the second fraction. We are going to change the first fraction. So 1 by 5, in 5 table when you will get 10 2 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. Here 1 into 2, 2. So the first fraction is 2 by 10. So 2 by 10 plus the second fraction is 7 by 10. Now these two fractions are like fractions, so we can add the numerators. 2 plus 7 divided by the same denominator 10. So 2 plus 7, that is 9. 9 by 10. 9 by 10 is the answer. So we have to write the answer for the given question. 1 by 5 plus 7 by 10 is equal to 9 by 10. Was it clear, children? The next question, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Here also these two fractions are unlike fractions, so first we have to convert it into like fractions. For that we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 3 and 6. Here 6 is the multiple of 3, so we can take 6 as LCM. So we have to convert the first fraction with the denominator 6. So what is the first fraction? 2 by 3. When you will get 6 in 3 table, 3 2s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. 2 2s are 4. So the first fraction is 4 by 6. Now we have to add the fraction 4 by 6. Then the second fraction is 1 by 6. These two fractions are like fractions, so we have to add the numerator. 4 plus 1 by the same denominator 6. 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is the answer. Now we have to write the answer for the given question. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. Was it clear, children? The next question, add and give the answer in the lowest term. We have to reduce the answer to the lowest term. The same addition we have to reduce the answer to the lowest term. Here 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. These two fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers to convert the given fractions to like fractions. So LCM of 2 and 6. See the numbers 2 and 6. 6 is the multiple of 2. So we can take 6 as the LCM. Okay. So we have to convert the first fraction with the denominator 6. In the second fraction already the denominator is 6. So 1 by 2. In 2 table when you will get 6? 3 times. Isn't it? So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. 1 into 3, that is 3. So the first fraction is 3 by 6. Now we have to add the fractions. 3 by 6 plus the second fraction is 1 by 6. Here these two fractions are like fractions, so we can add the numerator. 3 plus 1 divided by 6. Now we will get 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 6. Here we have to reduce the answer to the lowest term. 4 and 6 are even numbers. So these two numbers are divisible by 2. So I am going to reduce the numbers by 2 table. Here in 2 table 2 times 4. In 2 table 3 times 6. Okay. Here now we got 2 by 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So no other possibilities to reduce again. So 2 by 3 is the lowest term. So 2 by 3 is the answer. So what is the answer? The given question is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. Is it clear, children? The next question, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 10. Here also we have to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions. Okay. So we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 2 and 10. Here 10 is the multiple of 2. So we can take 10 as a LCM. Here already in the second fraction the denominator is 10. So we are going to convert the first fraction with the denominator 10. Okay. So the first fraction is 1 by 2. Here when you will get 10, here in 5 times, in 2 table 5 times 10. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 10. 1 into 5, 5. So 5 by 10. The first fraction is 5 by 10 plus the second fraction is 3 by 10. Now these two fractions are like fractions. We have to add the numerators. 5 plus 3 by 10. Okay. Here 5 plus 3, that is 8 by 10. Okay. Now we have to reduce the fractions to the lowest term. So 8 by 10. Here both the numbers are even numbers. So we can reduce it by 2 table. In 2 table 4 times and 2 table 5 times 10. Now we got 4 by 5. 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. So there is no other possibilities to reduce the fraction. 4 by 5 is the lowest term. Okay. So what is the given question? 1 by 2 plus 3 by 10 is equal to 4 by 5. Is it clear? Then the next question, 1 by 5 plus 7 by 15. Here also we have to find the LCM of the given denominators to find the fractions, to change the fractions to like fractions. Okay. So LCM of 5 and 15. Okay. Here 15 is the multiple of 5. So we can take 15 as the LCM. So here see the second fraction, already the denominator is 15. So we are going to convert the first fraction with the denominator 15. In 5 table when you will get 15, 3 times. 5 3s are 15. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. So we will get 3 by 15. So the first fraction is 3 by 15 plus the second fraction is 7 by 15. Now these two fractions are like fractions, so we can add the numerators. 3 plus 7 by 15. 3 plus 7, that is 10. 10 by 15. Here 10 and 15 are divisible by 5. So we can reduce the fraction by 5. Okay, in 5 table 2 times 10, in 5 table 3 times 15. Here 2 by 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so this is the lowest term. Okay, so 2 by 3 is the answer. So 1 by 5 plus 7 by 15 is equal to 2 by 3. Is it clear, children? The next question, add and give the answer as a mixed number. Okay, we have to write the answer as a mixed number, that is whole number and a fraction. Okay, here the first fraction is 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10. Here first we have to convert the given unlike fractions to like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers. So LCM of 5 and 10 is, here 10 is the multiple of 5, so 10 is the LCM. So we have to convert the first fraction with the denominator 10. Here in 5 table when you will get 10, 5 2s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. 3 2s are 6, that is 6 by 10. Now we have to add. The first fraction is 6 by 10 plus the second fraction is 7 by 10. Here these two fractions are like fractions, so we can add the numerator. 6 plus 7 by 10. 6 plus 7, that is 13. 13 by 10. Here see the fraction 13 by 10. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So this is an improper fraction. So we are going to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 13 only one time 10 is there. 10 ones are 10. We have to subtract 13 minus 10, that is 3. So we have to write in the form of quotient remainder by divisor. Okay, quotient is 1, remainder is 3, by the divisor is 10. So this is the mixed fraction. Okay, so 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. Is it clear, children? Then the next question, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 8. Here we have to convert it into like fractions by finding the LCM. So LCM of the denominator numbers 2 and 8. Here 2 is the multiple of, 8 is the multiple of 2. So we can take 8 as a LCM. So we have to convert the first fraction with the denominator 8. Already in the second fraction the denominator is 8. So 1 by 2. In 2 table when you will get 8? 4 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 4. 1 into 4, 4. So the first fraction is 4 by 8. Now we have to add 4 by 8 plus 5 by 8. These two fractions are like fractions. So we have to add the numerators. 4 plus 5 divided by the same denominator 8. So 4 plus 5, that is 9 by 8. Here 9 by 8 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed number. So we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 9, 1 time 8 is there. Now we have to subtract. The remainder is 1. So we have to write in the form of quotient remainder by divisor. Okay, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 1 by the divisor is 8. So this is the mixed fraction. Okay, so the answer is 1 by 2 plus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. Is it clear? Then the next question, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Here also we have to convert the unlike fractions to the like fractions. Okay, for that we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 3 and 4. Here see the numbers 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers. These numbers are having 1 as the only common factor. So the LCM of the co-prime numbers is the product of the numbers. So 3 4s are 12. 12 is the LCM. Now we have to convert the given fractions with the denominator 12. So the first fraction is 2 by 3. Okay. In 3 table when you will get 12? 4 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 4. So 2 4s are 8. The first fraction is 8 by 12. And the second fraction is 3 by 4. In 4 table when you will get 12? 4 3s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. So 3 3s are 9. Here 8 by 12, 9 by 12. Now we got like fractions. Now we are going to add the fractions. So the first fraction is 8 by 12 plus the second fraction is 9 by 12. Now we have to add the numerator. 8 plus 9 divided by 12. Okay. Here 8 plus 9, that is 17. 17 by 12. Now we got an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 17, 1 time 12 is there. So we have to subtract 17 minus 12, that is 5. So we have to write in the form of quotient, remainder by divisor. So quotient is 1, remainder is 5 divided by the divisor is 12. So 1 5 by 12 is the answer. So the answer is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 5 by 12. Is it clear, children? The next question is, Ubashna drinks 1 by 4 liter. 1 by 4 liter of milk in the morning and 2 by 5 liter of milk at night. Okay, how much milk does she drink every day? Now we are going to find how much milk she does drinks every day. So she drinks 1 by 4 liter of milk in the morning and 2 by 5 liter of milk at night. So we are going to add to find the amount of milk she drink every day. We have to add these two. Okay, so solution, capacity of milk she drinks in the morning. Is equal to 1 by 4 liter. Okay, then capacity of milk she drinks at night is equal to 2 by 5 liter. Now we are going to find the capacity of milk she drinks every day. For that we have to add these two. Okay, 1 by 4 liter plus 2 by 5 liter. See here, these two fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to convert it into like fractions first. For that we have to find the LCM of 4 and 5. So LCM of the denominator numbers 4 and 5 is equal to, here 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. So the product of these two numbers is the LCM. So 4 5s are 20. 20 is the LCM. Okay. So the first fraction is 1 by 4. We have to convert the given fractions with the denominator 20. So 1 by 4. In 4 table, when you will get 20? 4 5s are. Isn't it? So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number. 1 into 5, 5. So the first fraction is 5 by 20 and the second fraction is 2 by 5. Here in 5 table, when you will get 20? 5 4s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 4. 2 4s are 8. So the first fraction is 5 by 20. The second fraction is 8 by 20. Now these two fractions are like fractions. So we can add the fractions. Okay. So 5 by 20 plus 8 by 20 liter is equal to 5 plus 8 by 20 liter. So 5 plus 8, that is 13 by 20 liter. Okay. Here this is a proper fraction. Here there is no possibilities to reduce the fraction. So we have to keep as it is. So capacity of milk she drinks every day is 13 by 20 liter. So Ubashna drinks 13 by 20 liter of milk every day. Is it clear, children? Okay. To find the capacity of milk she drinks every day, we are adding the capacity of milk she drinks in the morning and the capacity of milk she drinks at night. Okay. Then we will get the capacity of milk she drinks every day. Is it clear? Then the next question, one day Akash walked 2 by 3 kilometer. 2 by 3 kilometer from home to school. On his return, he took another route which was 3 by 5 kilometer long. How much did Akash walk in all? Here, while going to school, he is walking 2 by 3 kilometer. While returning from school, he is walking 3 by 5 kilometer. Now we have to find the distance he walked in a day as a whole. So we have to add these two. Okay. So solution, distance he walked in the morning. Is equal to 2 by 3 kilometer. Then distance he walked in the evening while returning from school, that is evening. Okay. So we are writing distance he walked in the evening. That is 3 by 5 kilometer. Now we have to find out the distance he walked in a day. Distance he walked in all is equal to 2 by 3 kilometer plus 3 by 5 kilometer. Okay. Now we have to add these two fractions. These two fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to convert it into like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers. So LCM of 3 and 5. Here 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So the product of the two number is the LCM. So 3 5s are 15. 15 is the LCM. So we have to convert the first fraction and second fraction with the denominator 15. So the first fraction is 2 by 3. In 3 table, when you will get 15, 3 5s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by 5. Then we will get 10 by 15. And the second fraction is 3 by 5. In 5 table, when you will get 15, 5 3s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. Then we will get 9 by 15. Here 10 by 15 and 9 by 15. These two fractions are like fractions, so we can add the fractions. Okay. So the first fraction is 10 by 15 plus the second fraction is 9 by 15 kilometer. Okay. So now we have to add the numerators 10 plus 9 by the same denominator 15. Okay. So 10 plus 9, that is 19 by 15 kilometer. Now we got an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator 19 by the denominator 15. In 19, 1 times 15 is there. Okay. Now we have to subtract these two. 19 minus 5, that is 4. So we have to write in the form of quotient, remainder by divisor. So the quotient is 1, the remainder is 4, by divisor is 15. So 4 by 15 kilometer. This is the distance he walked in all. Okay. So Akash walked 4 by 15 kilometer in all. Is it clear, children? Hope you all understand. Okay, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.